Good morning, all of you. My voice is audible to everyone. Video is clear. Those who have off their videos, on their videos. Now, Harsh, open your video first. Yes, Akash, tell me.
Sir, when we are multiplying polynomial by a binomial or monomial, so sir, we have to keep within brackets when we are multiplying it.
While multiplying, you have to keep in bracket. When you open the bracket, then each element will multiply with the monomial. Each element of polynomial will multiply with the monomial. Okay. Harsh,
Good morning, sir. Sir, I have on page number 94, exercise 7A, question number 16 and 16.
exercise 7A. All have got the message that in place of SFPW there will be a math class.
Yes,
7A,
yes, sir. Sir, 15 and 16.
question number 15 and question number 16. These are not coming in the exam. Don't do this.
Okay, sir.
If you want, then you can come to the school. I will explain you this question. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Rudransh,
Yes, sir. So lesson 2, exercise 2A,
exercise 2A,
14th, 4th, and 5th one.
14th. Question number 14, 4th and 5th one.
Yes, sir.
Before that, I am asking to the question to you all. You have to answer that. Okay? Then I will clear your doubts. Now, come to the chapter number 1, everyone. Chapter number 1. Chapter number 1, exercise 1A. Now, Ritika Rajput, unmute yourself. Ritika, unmute yourself. First, unmute yourself. Yes. No, your voice is not coming. Shambhavi Tripathi.
Yes, sir.
Express this in a standard form. Shambhavi.
Yes, sir.
In a standard form. Express this.
Three.
Raise your
Sir,
hand.
by 20.
I will ask you. Okay, tell me fast.
Sir, by 3 it will go.
It will go with 3. First of all, we will cancel both the minus.
Yes, sir.
3 twos are. 3 twos are, 3 ones are. Now,
Now, sir, with 3 again, 3 sevens and 3 fours are.
to the 3 sevens are. So the answer is 4 upon
4,
7.
7.
Okay, if we have to express in the standard form, we have to cut all the terms with the common factors. No. Ash, unmute yourself.
Sir, you have unmuted me.
Okay, Ovash, unmute yourself. Where are you? Yes. Cost of, okay, cost of you.
Yes, sir.
13 upon minus 28 minus 23 by 42 minus 4 by 7 minus 9 by 15. Arrange this thing in an ascending order.
So I have to
First
solve.
we will take a cube.
So who has to tell?
No, only you. First up.
Yes, sir. First we have to take all the LCM 28, 42, 7 and 14.
What is the LCM of 28, 42, 7 and 14?
Sir, can I take? No.
Fast. What is the LCM, Arsh?
Sir, 1 minute.
What is the LCM of 28, 42, 7 and 14?
Sir, 14 and 84. 84.
84 will be the LCM. It is right. Arsh, Akash, it is right. So, if we take the LCM, from which number it is going? 28, 84 will go with 28. Who will explain? Shreya.
Sir, by 3.
By 3. By
28 3s are 84 and 13 3s are 39.
My answer came.
42 by 2. 22 3 are 23 2 are
Sir,
46
By
minus
2.
40.
upon 84.
46 upon 84. 7 by 8.
Then 4 minus 4 into 12.
4 12 yeah?
Sir, minus
Sir,
48 upon 84.
48.
Upon 84.
84.
14.
So then
54 upon 84.
minus 54 upon 84.
Minus 54 upon 84. Now we will compare which number is smaller.
So minus 54 upon
minus-
84.
Minus 54 is smaller. So it will be like this. Now
Sir, minus 48 upon 84.
minus 48 upon 84. Now
Minus 46 upon 84.
and minus 39 by 84. Okay.
Sir, one question I want to ask. In
Yes.
this way. Sir, we have to now write that in simplest form, 13 upon 20.
You have to write this thing. Okay. So here
9 upon minus 9 upon 14.
so minus 9 upon 14. Then
Minus 4 upon 7.
minus 4 upon 7. Then
Minus 23 upon 42.
minus 23 upon 42. Then minus
13.
30 upon 28. Minus will go on the upside. Okay. Anyone? Yes.
Can I mute?
Mute yourself. Yes.
Sir, in first chapter, exercise last one, sir, it is there that find a rational number between the given rational numbers. So, sir, when more than 3 numbers are there, that which formula you have told that I.
In that case, if suppose it is asking that find 5 rational number, so what you will do? N plus 1 form. 5 plus 1, 6 will multiply with both the numerator and denominator. Okay.
And sir, in case if the answer is not coming equal, then how we will find?
Answer will be different. Answer will be different. Don't. But steps should be correct. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Yes, Shreya.
Yes, sir. Sir, I was asking that in exercise 1A only, the last question, 8th question, that we have to represent on one number line only or different
You
number.
have to represent both the number on same number line.
Okay.
Who will do question number 8? Jalen, you can do.
Sir, I'm having one doubt.
Can you tell me?
Sir, in this question only.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, you have given there minus 13 upon 28. Sir, at last.
At last, minus 13 upon 28, where it is? First.
Sir, it will be at down now.
No, if suppose it is 13 upon minus 28, minus will can go on the numerator part.
Sir, at back it is given like that only 13 upon minus 28.
It is also correct and it is also correct. You can do both the way.
Okay, sir.
Okay? Yes. Sir.
Okay, sir.
Sir, in this question, we are putting a smaller 2 and greater 2 sign. Sir, that is necessary.
We are putting the smaller, minus 54 is smaller than minus 48.
No, sir, we are putting sign that that triangle, opposite triangle. Sir, is smaller to greater to sign.
It is asking to arrange the number in the ascending order. So it's
Sir,
not,
we can replace it by using a comma.
you can replace, but at the last you have to implement like this. Okay. Yes, Kaustav. Abhishek. Tell me.
Yes, sir. Good morning.
Morning. Tell me.
Sir, I want to ask that in exercise 7B,
First of all, anyone is having doubt in chapter number 1, they first ask the chapter number 1 doubt. Okay. Then when we will come on 7, then we will discuss that. Okay.
sir, you can tell how to can you give one example how to find 5 rational number?
Yes, I am explaining that. First of all, Rishi Divedi, open your video.
So can you please explain exercise first, the third question?
Okay, I will explain. Exercise 1D, third question. Okay, I will explain. Who will do this? Represent this number on the number lines. Arna Chaurashya. Represent this thing on a number line. Arna.
Yes, sir.
Yes, how we will represent this thing on a number line? First.
Sir, we will make first number line.
We will make first number line, then
Sir, we'll make at between 0, then left side we'll make till minus -5 till -5.
okay, then
Sir, in between 3 and 4 we'll make
between 3 and 4 we will make. How? First of all, we will convert into the mixed fraction. If we convert into the mixed fraction, it will go with 5 2s are 3 by 5.
whole 3 by 5.
Okay, then after that,
Then we'll make in between 3 and 4.
it is greater than 2 but smaller than 3 because 2 whole 3 by 5. So we will take this part and divide this in the 5 equal parts. Okay? It is a third point, so we will count 1, 2, 3. This is the representation of 2 whole 3 by 5. Or you can write 13 by 5 here. Anyone doubt? Vartika? No doubt? Kaustav?
So for telling the -1 answer.
No, I am asking only for the 13 by 5. Anyone?
It is correct.
Okay. Now come to the exercise number 1B, everyone. Yes, Akash.
Sir, there you have made 5, but we have to make 4 only because the fifth one is the third only.
Yeah, if you divide this part in the 5 section, because there is a 5 section, so we will divide this part to 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 parts are there. So the third part will be the answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, Rudransh.
Yes, sir. Sir, for finding the rational numbers between, sir, you are saying that formula n+1. Sir, in book it is given different, like to find the 5 rational numbers. So we'll take the LCM, like 4 and 6, it will be 24, and we'll divide it by 24, and then we'll find the between rational numbers.
There are many ways to solve a question. Okay. That n+1 is the simplest way. That's why I was saying that. Okay. Who will do this? Vartika.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Speak louder.
The first minus 5 upon 12
Minus 5 by 12
plus
plus
bracket minus 7 upon 12.
this minus can be transferred here, so it will be minus 7 by 12. Then after that,
Then minus 5 minus plus minus.
this minus into plus, it will become minus 7 by 12. Then after that,
Then we will plus minus 7 plus
LCM of 12 and 12 will be 12. 12, 1 ja 12, so it will be minus 5 here. 12, 1 ja, so it will be minus 7 here. So minus 12 by 12. It will go with minus 1. So minus 1 is the answer. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Akash.
Sir, and when we are taking out the rational numbers between such and such a number, so sir, we have told n plus 1 formula. So sir, and sir, suppose 5 rational number we have to take out. So sir, 5 plus 1, 6. We will multiply 6 into 6. So sir, we can multiply 7 into 7, 8 into 8. So
That also you can do. You can multiply with 7 also. You can multiply with 8 also.
till infinity, no.
Till infinitive. But for our convenient, we use n plus 1 formula so that we can get exact value. Okay? Who will do this? Shaurya Pandey. Yes.
First, we'll take LCM 6, 4, 8, and 3. Sir, it will be 24. LCM of 6, 4, 8, and 3 will be 24.
First of all, we will solve the sign. Here it is minus 11 upon 6. Minus into plus, it will be minus 3 upon 4. Plus 5 upon 8. Minus into plus, that will be minus 7 upon
Minus 7 upon 3.
Now what we will do?
Sir, we will take the LCM. It will be 24.
Look here, everyone, look here. How you will take the LCM of 4 numbers easily? Easily you can take it. Just take the greatest number. Greatest number is 8. Okay? Just make it twice. That will be 16. 16 will go with this? No. So make it thrice. That is 24. 24 is going with this. 24 going with 4 also, 8 also, and 3. So the LCM will be 24. It is the fastest way to find the LCM.
Yes, sir. Now,
6.
sir, there will be 6. So minus 44.
Minus 44.
Minus 18.
Minus 18.
And sir, minus plus 15.
Then after that.
And sir, wait. Minus 56.
Then after that, what we will do?
Sir, we will add the like. We will take the like term together.
Okay, 44.
Sir, all the minus term.
We will add the minus term. What is the addition? 12. 12 plus 6. 18. 5. 6. 11. This is the addition. 118.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, Akash. Tell me.
Sir, but it is not necessary. At first only we have to cut that plus minus minus. Sir, when we are adding, then also we can do, no?
Then also we can do. Now,
Okay,
what is the answer of this? Sure, pass.
Yes, sir. Sir, the answer for the 3.
Yes, sir. Tell me.
Sir, the answer is minus
Sir, minus 103.
103 upon 24 is equal to, so it will be then mixed fraction.
It can be converted into mixed fraction. What is the mixed fraction?
Minus 4 whole upon 7 upon 24.
4 whole, 7 upon
7 upon 24.
24. This is correct?
Yes.
Yes. Shantanu, tell me.
Yes, sir. So in the mixed fractions and then mixed negative. So they are given to convert it in proper fraction. They are given 29. So when minus 4 into 24 minus 96.
Okay.
Then plus minus 3. So we can put it mixed fraction bracket and then we can write minus.
Aditya Chaudhary, tell me. Aditya,
Yes, sir.
all this.
Sir, we will take 2 upon minus 3 minus upside minus 2 upon 3 first.
It will become minus 2 by 3.
Then we have to take the LCM.
First of all, we will solve the sign. That will be minus 2 by 3 plus 5 by 21 minus 8 by 9. Then after that,
Sir, then we have to take the LCM.
what is the LCM of 7, 3, 21, 9?
Sir, 21.
21 will be the LCM, right?
No, sir.
Kuldeep, tell me. Aditya, mute yourself. What is the LCM of this?
Sir, the LCM of this is, wait, sir.
63 is the LCM.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
7 will go with 63 with 9. So 4 9 is
Sir,
the
7 and sir, 36.
minus 3 will go with 63. 21.
Sir, 21.
So 42 it will be
42.
2 the no 3 the so 15 and it will go with 7 the so 8 7 the 56. What is the answer? Pass.
Sir, we will add the like terms in this.
11
So, sir,
4 5 51 is there.
yes, sir.
Minus 8 98 upon 63. This is the answer.
Yes,
Now what
sir.
we will do? It will be 7 minus 47 upon 63. Okay?
Yes, sir.
First up,
Yes, sir. Can you tell the fastest way to that
find the LCM.
Yes, sir.
Look at here. Here it is 7, 3, 21, and 9 is here. We will take the greatest number 21 here. 21 goes with 7. 21 goes with 3. But 9, it not goes with 9. So we will take 2 times, that is 42. Again, it will not go with 9. So we will take 63 3 times. This will go with all the numbers, so it is the LCM. Okay?
Sir.
Sorry. Subtract minus 11 by 6 from 8 by 3. Who will do?
Sir.
Sanskriti. Subtract minus 11 by 6 from 8 by 3. Sanskriti.
Yes, sir. Minus 11 by.
Subtract minus 11 by 2 from 8 by 3. So 8 by 3 will write here and minus 11 by 2 will write here. Okay, Sanskriti, speak louder.
8 by 3. Then we will open the 8 by 3.
Okay.
Then we will open the bracket plus 11 upon 2.
Now
We will take the LCM. Then it will be 6. Then 48.
it is goes with 2 times, so 8 2 just 16. Go with 3 times, so it will be 33.
33.
What is the additions?
49 upon 6. 8 whole 1 upon 6.
8 whole
1 upon 6.
1 upon 6. Okay, good. Now, Yashi Mishra, unmute yourself.
Sir, good morning.
Good morning. Speak louder, actually. To this question, what number should be subtracted from -2 by 3 to get -1 by 6? What number should be subtracted? Yashi?
Yes, sir.
How we will do this?
So first we will write let the required number to be subtracted be x.
Let the number be x. Okay.
Sir, then we will write -2
-2 by 3
then minus x,
minus x,
and then we'll write is equal to 7/11, 1/6,
okay,
and then we'll write minus x is equal to
minus x is equal to
minus 1/6
minus 1/6
plus 2/3
plus 2/3, because this 2/3 will go here, it will become plus 2/3. We can rearrange this, it will be 2/3 minus 1/6. Now what is the LCM?
It will be 9. So not
LCM of 3 and 6.
so it will be
LCM of 3 and 6. We will take the bigger number. It will go with both the
6,
numbers,
sir,
so that is the LCM.
yes, sir.
3
Then it will be 4 minus 6 1.
So the required number is minus x is equal to 5/6. So the required number is minus 5/6. Okay. Now come to the exercise number 1C, everyone. Who will do this? Yes, Harsh, you do.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Ah.
we will cut 6 ones are and 6 twos are 12.
6 ones are and 6 twos are 12. Then
7 and 7 into minus 3.
minus 3s are.
Yes, sir. So minus 3/2
Minus 3/2 will be the answer.
minus 1 whole.
If it will convert into the mixed fraction, it will be minus 1 whole
-1
upon 2.
1 point.
Okay. Okay. Artika. Solve
Good
this.
morning, sir.
Good morning. Artika, solve this thing fast.
Yes, sir. Sir, 17/8 into 51/4.
If we convert this division into multiplication, this will be interchanged. So it will
Yes,
be
sir.
4/51. Okay, then
Yes, sir. Then so 2 twos are 4 and 2 fours are 8.
don't take 2. Cut with 4. 4 ones are 4 twos are.
Yes, sir. Then
17 ones are 17 threes are. It will be 1 into 1, 1, and 2 into 3, 6. Answer will be this. Take the bigger number, not the smaller. Chaitanya. Unmute yourself, Chaitanya.
Sir, for answering.
Okay. Solve this question. Chaitanya, solve it.
1 minute.
How we will do this?
So first of all, we convert that to multiplication sign.
So 9 minus 9 will be here. It will be into then.
Sir, 18/-5.
18/-5 will be there. Then after that,
Sir, we will cut the minus and minus.
minus can be cancelled out. Then after that, yes,
Sir, we have to-
Sunista, what is the multiplication of 18 nines?
Sir, 162
upon 5.
5.
Next fraction. Aditya. Convert into next fraction.
Sir, 36 whole 2 by 5.
36 whole 2 by 5. This is right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mute yourself. Don't do the verification part. No need to do that. True and false will be not there. Now come to the exercise 1D, everyone. Yes, Akash? Yes.
Sir, when we are subtracting, sir, we can also do by additive inverse method.
You can also do the additive inverse with that. Okay.
Sir, I have done.
Yes,
Sir, in this one, sir, exercise 1D.
First of all, Parul, mute yourself. Okay. Yes. Exercise 1D. Any doubt?
Yes, sir, between one question, sir, like our answer is coming 6 upon 12. So, sir, we can cut the 6 upon 12.
Yes, you can cut the 6 upon 12, make it in the extended form.
Sir, we have to do with this method, no? X, how many rational numbers are asking?
If it is asking only 1 or 2, so you will do with this formula.
1 upon
3 formula, okay? And if it is asking more than 3, then you will do with the n plus 1 formula. Okay, mute yourself. Okay, Rudransh.
Yes, sir.
Five rational number between this. How we will do this?
Number.
5 rational number between 3 upon 5 and 2 upon 3.
The 5 rational number. First, we'll find the LCM, which is 5 and 3 is 15.
First of all, we will make the denominator equal. For making denominator equal, what we will do? We will multiply here with 3 and here with 5. But if we multiply here with 3, we have to multiply here also and 5 here also. Okay? 5 3s are 15, 3 3s are 9, 5 3s are 15, and 2 5s are 10. Then after that,
So then 5 we have to find. So n plus 1, 6. Then we'll multiply both numerator and denominator with 6.
it is asking 5 rational numbers, so we will multiply with 6. 6, 6, 6, 6. Then after that,
The 9, 6. Sir, first mute everyone. Sir, I can't see you.
mute yourself. Whose voice is coming? Yes.
Sir, 9 6 it will be 54, and 15 6 it will be 6 5 90. And here will be 60 upon 90.
Okay. Then 54, after 54, 55 is there.
56, 57, 58, 59.
These all are the 5. Exactly we are finding. You can multiply with 7, 8, 9, 10, whatever you want. Okay? Yes, Rudransh, tell.
Yes, sir. And sir, for finding 12 rational number also, we will do same one. First we'll find the LCM, then 12 plus 1, 13, divide both with 13.
First of all, you have to see this denominator part. You have to make the denominator part equal. If while equaling the denominator, if we get the 5 rational numbers, so no need to do with this. Just find the number. Here it is required because where it is 9 and 10, there is no difference. So we are making the difference of 5 numbers.
So
Okay.
for making the denominator equal, sir, we will take out the LCM only, no?
You can find the LCM also, or you can simply multiply this with this and this with this.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Avishri, any doubt? Anyone is having doubt related to this topic? Just raise your hand. Yes, Shreya.
No, sir, not in this, but in exercise 1C, last question.
Last question. Yes, tell me.
16th question, sir.
The area of a room is this. If the breadth is this, what is the length? Look at here. What is the formula for the area of length and breadth? Rectangle.
So length into breadth.
Area is equal to length into breadth. Area is given here 65 whole 1 by 4. What is the fraction?
Sir,
Area has been given 65 whole 1 by 4. You have to convert it to the fraction now.
yes, sir.
And length is also has been given that 5 whole 1 by 16 into breadth. Okay. Now what we will do? What is the fraction value of this? Anyone? Sunistha, tell me.
Sir, it is 321 upon 5 divided by
321 upon 5 or 4?
sorry, sir. 321 upon 4
321 upon 4
is equal to
81 upon 16 into P.
yes,
Now we
sir.
will transfer this value in the denominator part, that is 81 upon 16.
Yes, sir.
Okay, it is 321 upon 4 divided by 81 upon 16. Now we can convert into the multiplication that 321 upon 4 into 16 by 81. The answer will be the breadth. Okay, Shreya?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Anyone is having doubt related to this? 10 rational number, 5 rational number? Hariom?
Sir, can you tell how to find 1 and 2 rational number between
1 and 2 rational number, okay. If find a rational number between 7 upon 10 and 10 upon 17. So for this you will use a plus b by 2 formula. Here a is 7 upon 10, or you can write this into this form, plus 10 upon 17 into 1 upon 2. What is the LCM? LCM will be 170. 17 7 ja. Who will tell? Pratika, can you tell this?
Sir, 119.
17 7 ja.
100.
109. Then 10
Sir,
10 ja.
119.
119. Okay. 10 10 ja.
100.
100 will be there. Now, if we solve 1 upon 2, it will be, what is the addition of this?
Sir, 209.
219, 117. It will be multiplied with this, 340 will be there, 219. Okay? Answer is this.
Sir,
Convert into the standard form.
sir, in this, sir, only this method is there for finding.
This is the method for finding a rational number. Yes, Akash.
Sir, this can also be found by n plus 1.
N plus 1, no need to do with that. How you
Sir,
will
but
find with
that
n?
also we can use.
You can use, but how you can use that? You can first make the denominator equal, then you can multiply with 2 and 2, then you will find
Yes,
the
sir. Sir, and for finding 3 rational numbers, we are doing no, sir. First, we are taking one rational number and then we are plussing and both that. Sir, if we have to,
Suppose the rational number is between this is 219 by 340. So now for finding 3 rational number, one is we have 5 here. Between this you can find a rational number, and between this you can find a rational number. These numbers are the 3 rational numbers. Okay, Vartika.
So while finding 5 rational numbers between, so it is necessary to multiply by 6 only.
No, it is not necessary to multiply by 6. You can multiply with 7, 8, or something else. Not with 5. Greater than that number. Okay. Yes, Aditya.
Sir, not 321, it will 261.
What?
Sir, that exercise 1C 16th question. So 261 on 4. Sir, you can 321.
Okay, no need of that. Who will
And
find that? Find 12 rational number between this. Who will find? Alna, come in front. Allah, raise your hand. Parul Singh, you tell. Speak louder. Your voice is not coming. Abhishek, you tell. Abhishek? No, your voice is still not coming. Okay, Shreya, you tell.
Yes, sir. First, we will take its denominator as 1.
Yes, what we will take?
So denominator as 1.
Denominator will be 1. Then after that?
LCM will be 1. LCM will be 1. Now we will multiply by 10.
12 rational numbers are there. So we will multiply with 12 plus 1, that is 13. 13 will multiply here and 13 here. 13 here, 13 here. Minus 13 upon 13.
Minus 13 upon 13.
26 upon
26 upon 13.
So the number will be minus 12 by 13, minus 12 by 13,
minus 10 upon 13.
until 24 by 13 you can write. Whatever number you want, you can write in 13. Yes,
Sir,
Anna?
but I have multiplied with 10 also, then also.
That will also come because here it is minus and here it is plus. So there will be a large difference between that. Yes, Anna? Do you get this concept? Okay. Yes. Akash, any doubt you are having?
Yes, sir. Sir, when we are multiplying by 10, it is much easier by multiplying than 13. So, sir, we can multiply any number by 10.
Here you can multiply with any number because if you multiply here it is a minus and here it is a plus. So there will be a large difference. So you can multiply with any numbers. Come to the chapter number 2, everyone.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, how, sir, you can tell how we are representing the number on number line. Sir,
Yes,
I
I can tell you how to represent a number on number line.
Sir, can you explain one question? Sir, I
Suppose it is asking that you have to represent 13 by 5 on a number line. First of all, you will make the number line here. Convert into mixed fraction, that will be 2, 3 by 5. By seeing this number, we can see that the number is greater than 2 but is smaller than 3. 2 point something will be there. So then what we will take? 1, 2, 3, 4. Greater than 2. Now we will take this. Denominator part is 5, so we'll convert it to 5 equal parts. Third part will be there, so 1, 2, 3. This is the 2 whole 3 by 5. You have to represent like this.
Sir, and more than 4 we cannot write on a number line.
More than 4 means?
Sir, you are representing till 4.
It is only asking till 2, so we are making till 2. Why it is required to write more than 4? Okay? Yes, Kaustav.
Yes, sir, and exercise 1C. Sir, last one, sir, one girl has given 65 upon 65 for 1 upon 4 wrong answer.
You have understand the concept now?
Yes, sir.
That is okay. If
And sir, we can simplify that minus 1 upon 2.
Where?
Minus 1 upon 2, that question we have done just now.
Minus 1 upon 2, where it is minus
Find 12 rational numbers. With you.
Then you can multiply with any number.
Then we can simplify also, no?
We can simplify there also. Come to the exercise 2A, everyone. Yes, Artika.
Sir, can you please explain finding 5 rational numbers?
Finding 5 rational numbers, suppose here it is 2 by 3 and 4 by 5 here it is. We have to find the 5 rational number. First of all, we will make the denominator equal. For making, we will multiply with 5 into 5 and 3 into 3. So 15 will be here, 10 will be here, 12 and 15 will be here.
15.
Now 5, so we will multiply with 6 and 6, 6 and 6, 60 and 90, 12 6 are 72 by 90. So the number between these numbers are the 5 rational number. You can take whatever number.
Okay, sir.
Okay, come to the exercise 2A. I will ask Vishal Kumar, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Solve this. Fast.
Sir, it will be 15x to the power 28.
We will take the constant term, that is 5 into 3 into x to the power 7 into x to the power 4. Now,
Sir, it will be 15
15.
x to the power 11.
Base are same, so you will do x to the power 7 plus 4. You have to write the system, everyone. Look at here. You have to write the system for this question. Then after that, 15 into x to the power 11. And here you have to write the formula also, that is a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. Get it? Everyone, you have to mention the formula here and you have to write the system also.
Sir, if we leave the formula, then marks will be different.
Yes. So you have to write the formula here for that. Okay? Everyone is getting this? Yes, Akash?
Sir, if the question is very big big, so sir, every time we will write this.
No,
formula.
not every time. Only one time you have to write the formula. No need to write it every time. Okay. Who will do this? Pratika. Pratika.
X to the power minus 2 plus 0.
To the power minus 2. First of all, we will rearrange this like this. Y to the power 5 into y to the power minus 7. Then after that,
X to the power minus 2 plus 0.
to the power minus 2 plus 0
Into y to the power
5.
5 plus minus 7.
Okay.
X to the power minus 2 into y to the power minus 2.
Minus, if we open this bracket, it will become minus 5 minus 7 minus 2. Now what we will do?
X to the power minus 2, y to the power minus 2.
This is not the answer. We have to convert into 1 upon x square into 1 upon y square. That will be 1 upon x square y square. This is the answer. Anyone is having doubt? Yes, Kaustav.
Says that 0 is equals to 1, no?
So you can also write here 1 also. You can also write it 1. Yes, Rudransh.
Yes, sir. Sir, just suppose this multiplication question is coming 7 or 6 question and we are attempting all that question. So, sir, in all the question, we have to write the formula that am into an is equal to am plus n.
Only you write one time the formula. Don't need to write every time. Okay?
So, sir, in one question, we'll write the formula and this question without the formula we can do.
No. For particular question, you have to write the formula one time. Suppose it is asking in question number 6 and question number 9. Okay? So you will write the formula for 6 also and for 9 also.
Okay.
Okay? Who will do this?
sir.
Yes. Shivani Ranjan.
Sir, 8 to the power 7 minus minus 2.
7 minus minus 2 because here it is in a divide form, so we will write it here. Now
3 to the power 5 minus 3.
Now
3 to the power 4 minus 6.
Now what we will do?
It will come 8 to the power 9.
Because minus into minus plus, so 7 plus 2, that will be 9.
B to the power 2. Sorry, 3.
Then c to the power minus 2. Then after that, answer will be a to the power 9 b square upon c square. Okay? Who will prove this? Raise your hand. Yes, Akash, who will prove this?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, we will write x to the power p minus q.
X to the power p minus q.
So, sir, and bracket close. So power r into x to the power q minus r power p into x to the power r minus p power q is, yes sir. So sir p
Before
minus
this you have to write the LHS here.
okay sir.
Okay. Then after that,
Sir, we will multiply p minus q into r.
this r will multiply with both the terms, that will be x to the power pr minus qr. Then x to the
Sir,
power
q minus r into p.
pr. Okay. Then x to the power qr minus pq.
pq.
Then after that,
Sir, since the base is same, so we will add all the powers.
so pr minus qr plus pq minus pr plus qr minus pq. Now,
Sir, pr will cancel with pr, qr will cancel with qr, and pq will cancel with pq. So sir, x to the power 0 is equals to 1.
1. Here we are using the formula a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. You can write this, and here a to the power 0 is equal to 1. This both the formula you have to write. Okay, everyone is getting me?
Yes.
Okay, so we will meeting in the fourth class. Then we will continue there. Okay. Thank you, class.
Thank you, sir.